Hi everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to create a canvas that matches the size of your map and how to draw tiles on it. The canvas is like a drawing board where we will draw images, shapes, or text. In the previous chapter, we covered how to design a map and create your own tile set using Tiled. Remember, a tile set is a collection of small images or tiles similar to puzzle pieces that you can use to build a map. In this chapter, you can either use the PNG tileset file you created in the previous chapter or download it from the links provided in the video description. Are you ready? As with other examples, create a directory to store your project files. Place your tileset image in this directory. Open your favorite text editor, create a new file, and save it as game.html. This file will contain the code for the video game. Inside the game.html file, create an HTML canvas element. Save the file and open it in your browser. The canvas is like a drawing board where we will draw images, shapes, or text. A border has been added to the canvas to clearly show its boundaries in the browser. Since we are creating a 5x5 tile map and each tile is 32 by 32 pixels, the canvas we just created should be 160 by 160 pixels. 32 pixels times 5 equals 160 pixels. Now you are ready to draw on your canvas. We're going to use JavaScript to load our tileset file and draw the tiles in our canvas. As in previous chapters, add the following script tags to your HTML file, where you will write the JavaScript code to load the tileset and draw the tiles in the canvas. Retrieve the canvas object and assign it to a variable named canvas. Next, retrieve the rendering context. Context contains the necessary methods to draw on the canvas. Let's draw a tile on our canvas. First, load the tileset image. As you are going to draw parts of the tileset image onto the canvas, you need to wait until the tileset image is fully loaded before using it. It's like waiting for your puzzle pieces to be in front of you before you start building. An event listener is like telling the computer, hey, pay attention for when something specific happens, and when it does, do this. It listens for something to happen, like when you click a button, press a key, or when an image finishes loading. In our case, it listens for the image to finish loading. Once it does, the computer executes a function. We are ready to draw on our canvas. Since each tile is 32 by 32 pixels, here are some example coordinates where you can draw the tiles. Once the image is loaded, use context draw image to draw a tile from the tileset onto the canvas. You are calling the draw image function, which draws an image, or in our case, a part of an image, onto the canvas. As the first argument, you'll pass the image, which is the tileset. The second and third arguments are the coordinates of the tile in the tileset. For example, if you want to draw a wall tile, the coordinates are x equals 0 and y equals 0. If you wanted to draw a shallow water tile, you would pass 32 and 0 as arguments. Since each tile is 32 by 32 pixels, you should use multiples of 32 for the coordinates. The fourth and the fifth arguments are the width and the height of the tile in our tile set, 32 and 32 pixels. Next, let's tell the function where on the canvas we want to draw our tile. The sixth and the seventh arguments define the position on the canvas where the tile will be drawn. For example, x equals 0 and y equals place it at the top left corner. You can change these values to 32, 0, then refresh the browser to see how the tile shifts. Again, since our tiles are 32 by 32 pixels, we'll use multiples of 32 for the coordinates. Finally, the eighth and ninth arguments are the width and height of the tile to be drawn. Since the tile is 32 by 32 pixels, we use 32, 32 for the width and height. Try drawing a second file, a third, a fourth. We end up drawing 25 tiles to complete our map. This code works, but it's too long. Now, imagine if instead of having a 5 by 5 map, we had a 100 by 100 map. That's 10,000 tiles. Can you imagine how to write the same code using fewer lines and making it easily scalable? In the next video, we'll build a renderer that combines the tile set and the map matrix to draw the video game map. Bye!